गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। यहाँ पे मैं आप लोगों को फिक्स्ड एयर मेथड के बारे में बता रही हूँ। अभी तक मैंने आप लोगों को जितना बताया है उसमें है ना, अपना एक टेलीस्कोप है। ये जो टेलीस्कोप है इसका एक ऑब्जेक्ट पॉइंट है। इस ऑब्जेक्ट पॉइंट से आपकी रेंजिंग रॉड को जो स्टाफ है उसको जब आप है ना देख रहे हैं, तो देन आपकी जो डिस्टेंस फाइंड हो रही है दैट इज द एस स्टेडियर डिस्टेंस। और यहाँ पे अपन ने इसे ए और बी फॉर्म में मार्क कर लिया है। क्लियर। और इसकी जो इमेज फॉर्म हो रही है थ्रू द लेंस कॉन्सेप्ट, दैट डिस्टेंस इज स्मॉल आई। ऑब्जेक्ट से स्टेडियर डिस्टेंस मींस स्टाफ के बीच की जो डिस्टेंस है उसे अपन यू से डिनोट कर रहे हैं। एंड देन ऑब्जेक्ट से जो इमेज फॉर्म हो रही है उसकी डिस्टेंस को अपन वी से डिनोट कर रहे हैं। देयर इज वन फोकस पॉइंट विच इज एफ, एंड distance between the object and the lens is small d, and distance between the object point and the staff, that is capital D. Here we are starting the derivation. Basically, this method is basically work on the similar triangle concept. So here we start the derivation. If we applying the if we applying the similar triangle concept, here is, you can see here there is two triangles. One is OAB and second one is OA1B1. Triangle OAB and second one is triangle OA1B1. If we applying the concept of similar triangle, that is still from common point O, that is U, and distance from the common point O, A1, V1, that is V. Here, I and the vertical distance is I and the S. I upon S equals to U upon, V upon U. If we find the value of V from this derivation, V equals to I into U, V equals to I into U divided by S. This is the equation first. Okay. Okay. Now we form the second equation from the lens concept. We know the lens formula 1 upon F equals to 1 upon U plus 1 upon V. That is the lens formula. We know about in the physics concept, from the physics concept. Clear? Then 1 upon F equals to 1 upon U plus, here is the value of V. We put the value of V in this equation, I into U divided by S. From this equation, common value is 1 upon U. Here is remaining 1 plus 1 upon S upon I. S upon I. Okay. So from this equation, we find the value of U. Okay. Then U equals to F into 1 plus S upon I. This is the equation second. Okay. Now, from this diagram, we can easily see that from this distance is from here. Wait. Just a minute. That is capital D. Okay. We can easily see in this diagram capital D, capital D equals to U plus small d. ठीक है? In this diagram, we can easily see this distance is U plus small d. Okay. So from the U plus small d, capital D equals to, put the value of U from the equation second. U equals to क्या है? F into 1 plus S upon I. F into 1 plus S upon I plus small d. If we multiply F inside the bracket, then F plus F into S upon I plus D. If we separate F plus D and F into S upon I, then basically F upon I equals to, where F upon I equals to K and F plus D equals to capital C. Put these two value. I think this is, we should correct. F plus D. Okay. Put these two value in the above equation. Then capital D equals to K S plus C. That is the basic generalized equation for the Stadia method. That is the generalized equation for Stadia method. Okay. Here we can see where K, capital K equals to multiplying constant and C equals to additive constant. The value of K vary from, value of K is approximately 100 and value of C varying from 30 centimeter to 50 centimeter. Okay.